Welcome to my new video. It's about how to make a second YouTube channel. It's for people that have already got a YouTube channel and want to make an additional YouTube channel. Maybe there's a business one because they've already got a personal one, or they've got a business one and you want to open another business one. So whichever one it is, that's what I'm going to show you today. So first of all, what you want to do is bring up the YouTube page in your browser, and this is what it will look like. Once this appears, you go to the top right hand corner over here. If you follow the cursor with the yellow circle around it, you know where I am. It's normally your logo, or it's an initial or something like that. So you need to click on it, and once you've clicked on it, you'll find this drop down appears. What you need to do is go down to and find the settings, which is here. You click on settings, this page appears, which is the account page. Once the account page appears, what you need to do is come down here to your channel, and you want to go to add or manage your channel. So what you do is click that. Once you've clicked that, your channels page appears where you can add new channels. So you click on create a new channel. So once you've clicked create a new channel, this appears, which is the brand accounts, which it says here to create a new channel, create a brand account. So this brand account can have a different name than your personal account. For example, a business name or another name that you choose. So here I would read the terms and service and learn more about channels and brands here. So make sure you do that. So what I'm going to do is create a channel. So great. It's already there. Create videos. And then once I've put my brand account name in, I'm going to click on create. So once you've clicked on create the channel and you put your name in and you press create channel, this is the page that appears. So this is what tells you that your channel has been created. So now you can go ahead and customize the channel, put some art in, and put your logo in if you wanted to here. And do all sorts, like put your about in and stuff like that, and start uploading videos. If you wanted to go back to your previous channel, I'll tell you that as well while you're here, which is handy to know. So what you want to do is go back to this icon here at the top right hand corner, and go on to switch accounts, and then you can go back to any account by clicking onto your accounts here. So that's it. That's how you create an additional channel to the channel that you've already got. We hope that you've liked this video. Make sure you do like it, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and share it with your family and friends. Please make sure you comment below on how you found the video, and what kind of videos you would like to see going into the future. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.